Hello everyone, it's Tim Gamey with Alborz Real Estate Company in Denver, Colorado. We specialize in residential property management in the greater Denver metro area. Today I want to talk about a subject that it's very, very important to every rental property owner, including myself, which is maintenance, things that could break down in your rental property. Oftentimes we all scratch our head. Is this something the tenant did, or is this a natural wear and tear? How did it happen? Why do I have to spend money to fix this? Maintenance is very important topic. It's also a situation where you either build up your relationship with your tenant, or it could become a factor as time goes on and you get eventually to the end of the lease, whether this tenant is going to renew and you have the opportunity to maintain this tenant, or you want to go a different route. After years of serving rental properties and after years of owning rental properties myself, I have comfortably come to this conclusion that the best way to manage maintenance in a rental property is to purchase a home warranty. And home warranty will give you a peace of mind, and also it makes the process more manageable on the operation part, where things have to get fixed, and also on the financial part, because you will know if things break down, you will end up paying just a deductible, which could be anywhere from $50 to $70, $80, depending on the home warranty and which company you purchase it from. On single family homes, I would recommend their Platinum or their biggest home warranty package, so that it covers the furnace, air condition, and also the garage door. On the condominiums, you can get their middle package, where you don't need to worry about the garage door if your condo does not have a garage door. Some condos, they do have detached garage that may be managed by the homeowner association. But home warranty is definitely a safe approach, especially now since the pandemic. The cost of service and the cost of material have drastically increased, and with home warranty you have that peace of mind. The only thing that I would like to share with you with home warranty is the list of emergency repairs, or the items that are part of the habitability list of the items in your rental property. Most home warranty services or vendors or service providers are not able, although they don't disclose this to you, but in practice I have seen it, they're not able to attend the property within 24 or 48 hours. A real case example, during the winter months, if a furnace breaks down, that's an emergency repair, or if a water heater breaks down, it is a emergency repair, and some of these incidents, they're not able to get there right away, and you will have to have a plan B, where you can call somebody to go to the property and fix the broken furnace or the non-working water heater, and later on you can discuss that with the home warranty, and in some cases you may get reimbursed, some cases you may not. But hopefully these things will not happen to your property often enough that you have to worry about. But the rest of this stuff, whether it's a minor plumbing or a minor appliance repair, or a toilet, or the top being clogged, or a faucet in the kitchen or the bathroom not functioning properly, all of these, it's much better to have a home warranty than going through the list of the people, whether you do it on Google or somebody, to be able to get those people to go to your property and fix this. This is something that I wanted to share with you all. It's definitely something that's going to help you a lot with your rental property. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Alborz Real Estate Company, Property Management Division in Denver metro area. We're just a phone call away. Thank you.